What if one of the most powerful tools for your health was already sitting in your kitchen? That small pungent bulb you might toss into pasta or stir-fry. Yes, we're talking about garlic. Has been used for centuries not just for flavor but as a potent natural medicine. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all recognized its value. And today, modern science is finally catching up. In this video, we'll explore 8 proven health benefits of garlic, all backed by real research. Whether you use it to season your meals or have only heard whispers about its healing powers, by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new appreciation for this everyday superfood. And trust us, benefit number 4 might just surprise you. So, are you truly using garlic to its full potential, or could you be missing out on one of nature's best-kept secrets? Let's find out. Number 1. Allicin. The source of garlic's healing power. Garlic may seem like just another kitchen staple, but in reality, it's a potent vegetable packed with powerful healing compounds. The standout? Allicin. When garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed, a chemical reaction triggers the formation of allicin, a compound renowned for its antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. But here's the catch: allicin is highly unstable. It begins to degrade quickly, especially when exposed to heat. That means cooking garlic at high temperatures can significantly reduce its medicinal value. To preserve its potency, let chopped garlic sit for about 10 minutes before cooking, or even better, enjoy it raw. A study published in the journal Molecules highlighted allicin's wide-ranging effects, from lowering cholesterol and blood pressure to strengthening immune defenses and fighting off bacterial infections. In a way, allicin acts as garlic's natural immune system, activated only when the plant is damaged. It's not just about flavor, it's about function. Garlic isn't just a seasoning, it's a shield. Number 2. Garlic strengthens immunity and fights colds. One of garlic's most well-known superpowers is its ability to boost the immune system. If you're someone who frequently catches colds or wants to support your body during flu season, garlic might just be your most underrated ally. A 12-week study published in Advances in Therapy revealed that participants who took garlic supplements experienced 63% fewer colds than those who received a placebo. Even more impressive, when they did get sick, their symptoms lasted just 1.5 days on average, compared to more than 5 days in the control group. Thanks to its potent antimicrobial and antiviral properties, garlic helps your body fend off invading pathogens more effectively. And because it's rich in natural antioxidants, it doesn't just protect you from illness. It also helps you bounce back faster when sickness strikes. So the next time you feel that familiar tickle in your throat, consider chewing a raw clove of garlic. It may not be pleasant, but it could stop that cold in its tracks. Number 3. A natural ally against aging. Aging is inevitable, but premature aging? That's optional, and garlic may be one of your best defenses. Over time, our bodies accumulate free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells, speed up aging, and increase disease risk. Garlic comes to the rescue with a powerful arsenal of flavonoids and antioxidants that help neutralize these harmful invaders. While antioxidant-rich foods like berries and red wine get most of the spotlight, garlic offers a unique edge. It also stimulates your body's production of nitric oxide, a compound that improves circulation and promotes cellular health from the inside out. Research shows that garlic supplementation can elevate antioxidant enzyme levels, reducing oxidative stress and its damaging effects. The result? Healthier skin, stronger organs, and even enhanced brain function as you age. We may not be able to stop time, but we can definitely slow its effects, and garlic is one of nature's most potent anti-aging tools. Number 4. Garlic supports sexual health and hormonal balance in men. Here's a benefit that might surprise you: garlic can play a powerful role in supporting male sexual health and hormonal balance. As men age, levels of nitric oxide naturally decline. This impacts circulation, leading to issues like erectile dysfunction, but also affects energy, mood, digestion, and even brain function. Nitric oxide is essential for relaxing and dilating blood vessels, allowing for healthy blood flow not just to the heart, but to every organ and tissue in the body. And that's where garlic shines. Studies show that compounds in garlic can stimulate nitric oxide production, helping the body restore healthy circulation naturally, without the side effects associated with pharmaceutical options. The result? Improved vascular health, enhanced sexual function, and a renewed sense of vitality. So while garlic might not look like a performance booster, it quietly supports the systems that keep you sharp, energized, and balanced from head to toe. Number 5. Garlic lowers bad cholesterol and supports heart health. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death worldwide, but garlic offers a natural and effective way to fight back. Multiple studies have shown that garlic can reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, by up to 15%. All while preserving HDL cholesterol, the good kind your body needs. Garlic helps by preventing the buildup of arterial plaque, improving circulation, and reducing inflammation. 3 major contributors to heart attack and stroke. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Nutrition found that garlic supplements consistently lowered both total and LDL cholesterol levels, especially in individuals with elevated cholesterol. So whether you add garlic to your meals or take it in supplement form, you're doing more than seasoning your food. You're actively protecting your heart and supporting long-term cardiovascular health. Number 6. Garlic helps remove heavy metals from the body. In our modern world, exposure to toxins is nearly unavoidable, whether through polluted air, processed foods, or everyday household items. But garlic offers a surprisingly powerful defense. Its natural sulfur compounds can bind to heavy metals like lead and mercury, helping your body eliminate them safely. In one remarkable study, workers exposed to high levels of lead saw a 19% drop in blood lead levels after taking garlic supplements for just 4 weeks. Even more impressive? They also reported fewer symptoms like headaches and high blood pressure, common signs of heavy metal toxicity. Garlic doesn't just mask these issues. It supports your body's detox system at the source, particularly in the liver and kidneys. Think of it as a natural, gentle cleanse, no extreme diets or expensive juices required. Whether you live in a bustling city or simply want to support your body's natural defenses, garlic is a simple and effective way to detox daily. Number 7. Garlic helps prevent osteoporosis and supports bone health. Garlic isn't just a heart or immune booster, it plays a powerful role in protecting your bones, especially for women as they age. One of garlic's lesser-known benefits is its ability to support estrogen levels, which are vital for maintaining bone density. As women reach menopause, estrogen levels naturally decline, leading to reduced calcium absorption and an increased risk of osteoporosis. But research shows garlic can help counteract this process. In a study published in Phytotherapy Research, daily garlic supplementation was linked to higher estrogen markers in postmenopausal women, pointing to its potential in slowing age-related bone loss. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties also ease joint pain and stiffness, promoting better mobility and comfort. Combined with regular exercise and a nutrient-rich diet, garlic can be a simple daily way to protect your bones and stay strong for years to come. Number 8. Garlic boosts physical performance and endurance. Believe it or not, garlic was once considered nature's performance enhancer, and for good reason. Ancient Greek athletes consumed it before competitions to increase strength and stamina, and now modern science backs that tradition with real evidence. Garlic improves circulation and oxygen delivery, helping muscles work more efficiently during exercise. One study involving people with heart conditions found that garlic oil supplements significantly reduced exercise-induced fatigue and boosted physical performance. But its benefits don't stop at endurance. Garlic also helps reduce inflammation and supports faster recovery, making it a smart choice for anyone who trains regularly or experiences muscle soreness. Whether you're hitting the gym, running a 5K, or just trying to power through your daily routine, adding garlic to your diet could give you the edge you need. So if you're looking for a natural way to increase your energy and resilience, garlic might just be the secret weapon hiding in your kitchen. How to use garlic safely and effectively. Now that you know the benefits, how do you get the most out of garlic without the side effects? Start small. If you're new to raw garlic, begin with half a clove per day and work your way up. Many people tolerate 2 to 4 cloves per day well, but everyone's digestive system is different. If raw garlic is too intense, try mincing it and letting it sit for 10 minutes before mixing it into salad dressings, hummus, or cold dishes. Avoid cooking garlic at high heat for long periods, as this destroys much of the allicin. Instead, add it at the end of cooking or enjoy it raw. And while garlic has impressive medicinal properties, it's important to consult your doctor before using it regularly. If you're on medications for blood pressure or blood thinning, garlic can enhance the effects of these drugs, which may cause complications. What about garlic breath? Yes, it's real. And yes, it's strong. But don't let garlic breath scare you away from its powerful benefits. Historically, the scent of garlic was associated with poverty. But today, it's time to rewrite that narrative. If you're worried about the smell, try chewing parsley or fennel seeds. Or simply enjoy garlic in the evening and let the scent fade overnight. Garlic supplements are another option if you want the health benefits without the taste or the odor. So there you have it, 8 science-backed benefits of garlic that go far beyond just flavor. From fighting off colds and slowing aging to supporting heart health, enhancing vitality, and aiding in detoxification, garlic truly earns its title as one of nature's most powerful superfoods. If you've been underestimating garlic, now's the perfect time to start making it part of your daily routine. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day could make a major difference in your health over the long run. Which benefit surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts and personal stories. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use the info, and subscribe for more science-based health tips and natural wellness insights. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands, 1 clove at a time.